In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix install error 0x800F0991 Windows 11 update problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, we need to go ahead and understand what this error actually means. So this error code commonly appears when Windows 11 tries to apply a cumulative or security update and fails according to multiple sources. So it often means update files or components are missing, corrupted, or in a bad state. It may also occur because update services are misconfigured or blocked by third-party software, or because the component store is corrupted. Now, I've also noted in many forums and Reddit threads, users report that regular fixes like SFC, DISM didn't fully solve it until they did a repair install in place upgrade. So basically the update system is trying to install but encountering broken or uncuttable pieces and giving you that code. So there is a fix to this. So we're going to start with the most simplest to more advanced. So you can try each until one of the errors resolves. So first we need to do is basic pre-check. So disconnect any unnecessary external USB drives, external hard drives, etc., except your keyboard and mouse. These can sometimes interfere. And temporarily disable, uninstall any third-party antivirus security software, not just turn off. Sometimes uninstalling helps because some users found this actually blocked the updates. Now, we can also run in the Windows built-in troubleshooter. So to do this, go ahead and go to Settings, System Settings, and then click onto the System tab here. And now to the right, go ahead and click onto Troubleshoot. Then click onto Other Troubleshooters. And then click onto the Windows Update. And now you'll see Run. So go ahead and click onto Run here. Now another window should appear. And now basically run that troubleshooter and that will find any problems and should apply fixes for them as well. So basically choose I can't download, uninstall and update. And then can we want the Windows Update automatic? So go ahead and click onto yes. And then we can go ahead and it will say check for Windows Update errors. And then from here, it will say problem diagnosed. We detect the problem and we have attempted to resolve it. So Windows Update will now scan, attempt to store any missing updates. So you can try that. Okay, the next fix is to go down search, type in services. Make sure to spell it correctly. Services, so system services. And now you're inside of services like so. Now we need to change a few things inside of here. So we need to find a background intelligent transfer service. And now we need to set this to automatic. So make sure that is set to automatic. And now Windows Update. Make sure this is set to manual. Then next we need to find the cryptographic services. So it'll be near the top here. All right, so we got it here. Make sure this is set to automatic. Now the next fix here is to open up command prompt. So type in CMD. And then run this as administrator. Now what we need to do inside of here is go ahead and clear the Windows Update cache. So this is a software distribution folder. So we need to type in so yeah, copy this. So take a screenshot and copy this and then chuck that in there. And now because as you've seen earlier, I've already done this, so that doesn't matter. Now let's move on to the next one. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. And then after that, we need to run an SFC and DISM to fix system corrupt files. So that code is going to look like this. I'm just going to paste it in here. So we need to copy that, chuck that in here. I'm going to paste that in here. Now what this is going to do, this is going to start a system scan and just give that a few minutes to do its thing. So after going through all these steps, you should fix your install error code on that Windows 11 update.